Welcome back to our FFMPEG series. In the previous video, we set up a GUI interface using Zenity to select the next input source. But with that script, or that version of the script, we needed to manually kill the current instance of FFmpeg. What we've done here is we've changed that script so it does give you the ability to kill that instance. So let's take a look at that. It's the same gui.sh file. It's a bash script. All this is the same. I've added this selection C variable. So after it runs that initial Zenity script asking for the input, and taking that input and converting it into the numeral selection for the select.conf file, it will run another instance of Zenity and put the output into that selection C. I could reuse the variable of selection A, but just to keep things clear, I added another variable. And that is similar to the other one. It's a radio list. It's a smaller box because there's only two options. It asks if you want to kill the current FFmpeg instance immediately or now, and the choices are yes or no. If it's yes, it runs the killall FFmpeg command, which we'll get to why that could have issues in the future. If not, it just says wait for the video to end or kill FFmpeg manually. So you wouldn't want to do this with like the break video or the intro video, where at the end of the video itself, it would just naturally terminate. It doesn't have a continuous input, and then it just repeats the loop. So let's take a look at that. So we run that gui.sh, and it has that selection. So we can say webcam and hit OK. And then it comes up with that other window. Do you want to kill FFmpeg now? We are going to say no, and you hit no, and then it brings up that first screen again because it's a continuous loop. And you can see here where it says wait for the video to end and kill manually. If we hit cancel, it receives no argument and just runs equals 0 and doesn't have an initial, so it doesn't actually do anything. So that doesn't terminate the program, and we'll hit no again and hit OK, and it continues that loop. But if we hit end, and we'll hit no again, and then there's a reason I'm hitting no and not hitting yes, and end equals 0, and you hit OK, and the program terminates. I can't run the kill command, and I will show you why. If I search for any instances of FFmpeg, you'll see I am running a version of FFmpeg with X11 grab, which is what you're watching right now. So if I kill it, it will end this video. So it's running in this other tab of the terminal, and it's going for about 5 minutes. It's probably a lot less than that for you because of editing. And when this does terminate, if you use the killall, it will tell you that it terminated normally, which I'll show you on the screen from a previous version of running this. So that is how the script has continued. The next thing we want to do is we want to try to add in overlays to our live stream, similar to like adding that overlay of the screenshot that I had, or some other thing to add to the live stream. If you want to add a call to action like subscribe, like, leave a comment, you can make those templates and add them in. We'll go ahead and take a look at our notes, and we've recorded this one. I have to go through and edit it, and it'll be out in a few days. And that overlays and the FIFO pipes. In between here, before I start the C program, which I've done early testing on, I am going to add in a UDEV video, which should be out sometime in the next couple weeks. So if you have any suggestions on where I can take this series or something that you would do differently, go ahead and leave it in the comments. And look out for the live streams as I continue to test all these functions. I'm trying to do at least one live stream a week. And thank you for watching. You have a great day.